Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test. This is Calculus 1. We're on question number 45. So here we're asked to evaluate this series, nx to the 2n, from n equals 1 to infinity. And the trick here is to use the series x to the n from n equals 0 to infinity equals 1 over 1 minus x, and to manipulate this expression until you get the one that they're asking you. So first of all, x to the n, if we replace x with x squared, let's do that. We'll get n equals 0 to infinity of x squared to the n. Then that's going to be 1 over 1 minus x squared. And then the trick here is to differentiate both sides of this equation, and then we'll have, so this is x to the 2n, so that's going to be 2n x to the 2n minus 1, which I'm going to write as x to the 2n times x to the minus 1. And remember that when you differentiate this series, the first term where n equals 0, that's just a constant, so it's going to drop out, and you're only going to have n equals 1 to infinity. That's why we have this n equals 1 here. Now the derivative of the right side, well, this is like 1 minus x squared to the negative 1 power, so we're going to have a negative 1 minus x squared to the negative 2 power. So that's like 1 over 1 minus x squared squared. But then we have to use the chain rule and differentiate this negative x squared. So that's going to give us negative 2x. So these two negatives are going to become positive, and we'll have a 2x in the numerator. Now, we can simplify this because this 2 is just a constant, so that's going to drop out when we cancel it with the 2 on the right. And this x over here, that's 1 over x. If we multiply both sides by 1 over x, this will cancel out, or by x, then this will cancel out and this will become x squared. And then we're left with exactly the series that we were given in the problem. N equals 1 to infinity, and x to the 2n, and the answer is x squared over 1 minus x squared squared, which is answer B.